Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a life hack video, but for airplanes. So let's just get on with the video. And yes, this is a bracelet. Let's just get on with the video. So my first life hack is for the airplane is definitely go and bring a book. I know like a book really, but like bring a book that's nice and like, or you could go on audible.com. Sorry, this vlog. Or you go on like audible.com and get a book from there. It depends. Like there's different websites that you could go on to get like books and stuff. So yeah, life hack number 2. And sorry if I sound weird, it's just my voice. I'm sick. Well, I'm not sick, but my voice is like, I don't know. That's life hack number 2. So, first, you're gonna want to have this. Like, I know a bunch of people made these videos, but this is my iPad, so I'm not gonna bring this on the plane. I'm vlogging on my phone, so what you could do is you could organize your apps. Like these, just my apps. You could organize your apps on the plane, and that really. What the heck happened? Okay. So what you could do is you could organize your apps. Like I do that, and it's actually pretty entertaining. Like it kind of just wastes some time. So yeah, life hack number 3. So what you're gonna want to do is, if they have a movie thing on the plane, you know what I'm talking about. If they have like the movies on the plane, go watch a movie on there. But if they don't, not every plane has one. Go on your phone and see if they have Wi-Fi. And if they don't, you could go on cellular data, which is LTE. I don't know if LTE will work on a plane. I think it will. But yeah, and you could go on there, turn that on, and then go into Netflix, maybe the Disney Channel app, Nickelodeon app, XD app, whatever. You could go on YouTube, plug in your earphones, and you'll be good to go, and just watch shows, movies, anything you want. So yeah, life hack number 4. You guys are gonna also gonna need to listen to music. Music is a number 1 thing for me. Like it depends how much. Like I have a playlist on Spotify, like with all my songs that I have, and they're really good. So if you just want to go on your playlist, it has all the songs that you like, so you don't need to worry about shuffling through the songs just to find a good song. You could just already have them on your playlist, good to go. I recommend Spotify for this. And also you need Wi-Fi for Spotify, so just go on cellular. But yeah, life hack number 5. Yeah, I think it's 5. What you're gonna want to do is technically go to sleep. Go to sleep. I don't know why I said technically. Just go to sleep, because really, just go to sleep. Like I can't say anything else. Just go to sleep, because if it's a long plane ride, it's pretty cool, because like you're like, oh, whatever, like I'm tired, I'm gonna go to bed, and then you wake up and you're just in this wonderland of like a different place, and like, where am I? This is my dream comes true. So yeah, I do that a lot. Like sometimes what I do is I put in my headphones and I listen to music, and then I go to sleep. And then, boom, you did it. And then that like makes you fall asleep. So yeah, you could do that, and bring a jacket to put over yourself. So like it's like a blanket, or if you really want, you could like bring a blanket. But I wouldn't recommend bringing a blanket, just for like, yeah. But yeah, number 6. This is technically not like a life hack, because I bet a lot of people know this, but this is kind of like a survival guide. So But also bring gum if you don't want your ears to pop. Because sometimes your ears will pop once you're going up. And bring gum and just chew on it, swallow it. Like, don't swallow it. Just chew on it, and while you're going up, your ears will pop. So I really don't care. I bring gum just because I don't want my ears to pop, just because I don't really like it. Like, I don't want my ears to pop. But, that all depends on you. If you're fine with it, then you don't need to. But, good. Whatever. Life hack number 7. You guys, 7. You guys are gonna want to, if you are a YouTuber and you like to edit your videos, edit it on the plane. Edit your videos on the plane. So when you get off of the plane, you don't need to do any of that, and you don't need to edit your videos, so you don't waste time on your vacation wherever you're going, and you could spend time on your vacation having fun on your vacation instead of editing vacation and doing your work on vacation. So yeah. And also what you're gonna want to do is life hack number 8. So what you're gonna want to do is just look out your window. Like, I know that sounds like what, but just look out of your window and look at all the cool stuff in the sky. Take some pictures, and yeah. Life hack number 9. So what you're gonna want to do is bring a coloring book, and maybe but what you're gonna want to do is you can bring like a coloring book and write in it, and yeah, just color in it. Bring like a box of pencils, pencils, coloring pens, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, and then just write in it, and yeah, and also that's like it. Sometimes like there's other stuff that you could draw, just I recommend doing that, because it kind of like, once you're really so concentrated at it, like as soon as you leave, you're like, oh, that went really fast. If you really really like drawing, I recommend you doing that. And for number 10, what you're gonna want to do is just technically talk to your family. Talk to the people beside you. Like, if you're going with your family, talk to them. If they're strangers, try to set a conversation. Try to get to know them, because they're going to the same place you are, and you don't know if they're going to the same hotel as you. You don't know, so just talk to them, and you'll actually talk about stuff, and then you like be friends, and you'll make new friends, and yeah, you'll just have a great time. So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap everything up for today. Please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and hit the bell, and also comment down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and bye. And at this point, I actually didn't stop it, so yeah.